Hello everyone, welcome to this new video where we are going to go through find players with 0 or 1 loses. So basically you have an array of array where each of the element has two value, the winner and the loser, and you're supposed to return a list where the first array, like an array of array also, where the first sub array is actually the list of players that have not lost any matches, and the second array is actually a list of players that have lost exactly one match. So in an array like this, we can see that the player 1 win player 3. Here you can see that player 5 win player 6, player 5 win player 7, but player 4 win player 5. So he has a loss, so it cannot be in the first array. That means the list of players that have not lost any match. So this is kind of the presentation of the situation. We are going to solve it with a really straightforward approach where we are going to create two maps. The two maps are going to keep the ID of the players and the number of win for the first map and the number of lose for the second map. And after that, we are going to loop through our array of, you have to create the two maps, and after you need to loop through the array of loser, like the loses map, yes. And then if you have a guy who lost exactly one, then you put it in there. No, you're first going to loop through the winners. If you have a winner which is not in the, if you have an element which is not in the lose map, then is a player that have never lost any match, and you're going to loop through the lose. If you have a player which has a lose of 1, that means that player has lost exactly one match. So what would the code look like? It will look like this. So I will create a map of losers and winners, and I will have my loop which will kind of populate with each player and the number of win, each player and the number of lose. And then a winner which is not found in the loser map is actually a winner who has never lost any match. So I just put it to the first array. A loser which has a count of 1, that means it's a loser who has lost exactly one match. And more importantly, I'm using here a map, not another map. Why? Because I want to satisfy this condition. The value in the two list should be returned in increasing order. I know that my map will directly kind of sort my element, so using a map helped me to have the result here in the sort order. So let me just submit and see what it gives. Let me run first. Cool, put a good result. Let me submit. Nice. This is my approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to give me any input. I'll be really happy to interact with you regarding this. See you on the next video. Ciao.